Everyone thinks the best-selling rooftop cargo carrier is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: F5EKLMNZ 21 Cubic Carrier. The F5EKLMNZ 21 Cubic Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier caught my eye right away. Priced at $71.99, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a reliable, waterproof option that fits just about any vehicle, this is worth a serious look. With 21 cubic feet of extra storage space, it can easily fit 4 to 6 suitcases along with other travel gear, freeing up your car's interior. Plus, it comes with 10 reinforced straps and 6 door hooks to secure it tightly, ensuring it won't budge even at highway speeds. Now, some people complained about the zipper durability after repeated use. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and maintain it, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for most people. This is perfect for you if you're planning a family vacation or a long road trip. Skip this one if you need a carrier for a high-end luxury car. It's best suited for everyday vehicles. For the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the size of the F5EKLMNZ bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: F5EKLMNZ 30 Cubic Carrier. Next up is the F5EKLMNZ 30 Cubic Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier, priced at $99.24. If you want more space and the same great waterproof features, this one's definitely worth considering. This cargo carrier offers a whopping 30 cubic feet of storage. That's enough to fit 7 to 9 suitcases, perfect for larger families or longer trips. Just like its smaller counterpart, it's made from heavy-duty 840D PVC and features a waterproof cover to keep your belongings dry. It also includes 10 reinforced straps and 6 door hooks for added security, so you won't have to worry about it flying off during your drive. Some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to store when not in use. But honestly, given the amount of space it provides, I think it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you often travel with a lot of gear or family members. Skip this one if you have a smaller vehicle that lacks roof space. It's a solid investment for anyone in need of extra cargo room. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for durability on a budget. Product number 3: Asinking 21 Cubic Carrier. Now let's talk about the Asinking Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag, which is priced at $72.99. What grabbed my attention here is its solid construction and impressive waterproof features. This carrier boasts 840D abrasion-resistant PVC fabric, which means it can withstand rough treatment and harsh weather. Plus, it offers a 21 cubic feet capacity, perfect for holding plenty of luggage without compromising space inside your car. It also comes with an anti-slip mat and 8 thickened straps for added security. However, some reviewers noted that installation could be tricky for first-timers. But I'll be real with you, once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you value durability and need a dependable carrier for various weather conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity or have a lot of gear to haul. Now, if you want something a bit different but still effective, the next product has a unique design. Product number 4: MAXXHAUL Hitch Carrier Bag. Next is the MAXXHAUL Soft Shell Cargo Carrier Bag, priced at $47.99. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that can handle a lot, this might be the right choice for you. This bag is designed for hitch-mount cargo racks, measuring approximately 47 inches long and 20 inches high, with a maximum capacity of 11 cubic feet. The heavy-duty PVC material with polyester reinforcement makes it durable, while the welded seams and heavy-duty zippers ensure water protection. It's compact when folded, making it easy to store when not in use. The downside: some users reported that it's not suitable for larger vehicles and can be a tight fit. But honestly, if you have a hitch-mounted rack, this can be a great solution for extra storage without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you have a hitch mount and need a compact, easy-to-store option. Skip this one if you have a larger vehicle or need more space. For the price, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you're still looking for something that can hold even more, the last product we're reviewing is designed with larger capacity in mind. Product number 5, MiFar 21 Cubic Carrier. Lastly, we have the MiFar Rooftop Cargo Carrier, priced at $84.99. What I love about this one is its unique design and security features. This carrier is 100% waterproof, made from durable 800D PVC tarpaulin, and offers a spacious 21 cubic feet of storage. It works with or without a roof rack, making it versatile for various vehicle types. The upgraded waterproof zipper and combination lock add an extra layer of security for your luggage. However, some users found the zippers a bit finicky. Here's the thing, if you're careful with them and don't force them, they should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, secure option for road trips or camping. Skip this one if you're only making short trips and don't need the extra space. For the features it offers, it's a solid choice. So to wrap it up, the F5EK LMNZ 21 and 30 cubic carriers are both excellent for waterproof storage, while the Asinking offers great durability at a reasonable price. The MAXXHAUL is ideal for those on a budget with a hitch mount, and the MiFar provides added security and versatility. Whatever your needs, there's definitely a rooftop cargo carrier on this list for you.